good day. You know why? Because I get to go to the range. Hey girl. Hey, girl. Here's my baby. It's my girl, Sasha. Anyways, today I get to go to the range. I'm taking my mom. We're going to this place called Steve's Gun and Pun, I believe, in Sarah, Alabama. What I'm going to be shooting today is, yesterday was my birthday, July 3rd. So my dad bought me this wonderful gun right here, which is a Glock 42 Gen 4. This is also a Glock 22 Gen 4. See, I got the string light on there. TLR1 HL. That thing's pretty bright, y'all. I'm gonna do a review on one of those too. Just bought me another one, waiting on it to come in. This is another Gen 4 Glock 22. Doesn't have a string light or whatever. But yeah. So we're gonna go to the range today and we're gonna shoot it out. So just tune in and I'll show you guys some video from the range. I just gotta edit it all together. I'm actually just waking up. You can probably tell. That's pretty much it from here. So I gotta go and get my mom, pick her up, chauffeur her around, go get some bullets and stuff like that, and we'll go to the range and I'll show you guys some footage later. Off the interstate, off my mom's exit, pull into a neighborhood now. I'm about to go and pick her up. This thing's mounted so funny. About to go and pick her up. She probably gonna want to drive her truck. Let's see what she says. Here, pick her up. We'll go down here and get some ammunition. Keep going now. Go to the range. Get this house key. So it's like 1,000 degrees out here, y'all. It's just freaking hot. Oh, it's so hot out here, man. You can probably bake an egg on your car. That's how hot it is. Pretty sure she's gonna most definitely want to shoot my 42 for real. Mom, what you doing, girl? You ready?
Waiting on you, son.
Look at her, man. Look at her. All right, what you got?
I gotta go to the shop.
What shop?
I'm getting my gun.
So my mom has a Ruger LCP 380.
I'm gonna go get my SIG.
A SIG? Yeah. What's your SIG? Ain't that a 40? What else you got?
My 44.
44? You gonna shoot that too? Or you ain't worry about that? She got this old school 44 Merle. So as you can tell, just walk out of Walmart. Got some of this ammo with this lady. New ammo, $200, $200+. Ammo is expensive, so y'all should probably check online, check Academy, check Walmart, check everywhere before you just commit to one place, because I just spent a lot of money. I'll show y'all in a second what I just got. Let me get this car key out. So, got some Winchester. Camera's probably gonna show it back. Winchester ammo. I don't know if y'all Winchester 380. I'm about to head to the range, so I'll show y'all, you know, better pictures and videos when we get there. So, just pulled up at the shooting range, Steve's Gun and Pun, and they were closed. So, we're about to head over here at the Airport Boulevard, place called Mobile Shooting Center, and go down here and I guess shoot it out. So I'll give you out an updated video when we get there, and we'll just go from there. So once again, failed trip. Mobile Shooting Center did not have a shooting range, and you would think from the title, Mobile Shooting Center, they would have a range, but they didn't have a range. So we're heading to, what is it, Self-Defense Readiness Center off of Cody Road. I'll show you guys the place when we get there. I've actually been there before, so kind of disappointed that I forgot about it. It's located off Cody Road. I'll update y'all the address and everything when I get there, like I said. So once again, I'm kind of upset that I just wasted the trip. I just wasted a second trip. Like, I'm using so much gas right now, guys, and gas is not cheap at all. So I'll share a video of the place when we get there. And we just got here to the self-defense readiness training center, I guess is what it's called. The place looks pretty legit, y'all. 7078 Bruns Drive, over Alabama. I'll get some footage of the inside and show you guys when we get in here and let y'all check it out. So let's get all this stuff together. And alright, so we in here at the range. This is my GLOCK 380. She has a Ruger 380, just what she's about to shoot. As you can tell, you got the target pulled up. You can go ahead and shoot, man.
Which line? Which range you shooting at?
Huh? It doesn't matter. You can go ahead.
Huh?
You can go ahead.
What's yours?
I don't know.
What's that, the 25? No, that's the 15.
I mean, you are shooting a small one, so you got to really shoot that far.
Huh?
Said you are shooting a 380, so you don't really have to shoot that far.
I got my SIG. I'm gonna shoot my SIG first.
Oh, the SIG 40.
What? At the 20 yard?
She's so complicated, y'all.
I ain't shot this thing in so long.
She hit the center. First one. Look at that stance, y'all. Alright, well, meanwhile, while she's shooting, I'll get this 380 ready. Shoot this brand new 380, see what it's about. Put it at the 10. Alright, let's check our target eye.
Why am I going down?
Why you going down?
Yeah.
You aiming right?
Yeah. I guess the recoil on it. Yeah.
Bring it in. Let's see what she did. The first shot, she went freaking center, y'all. Look at that. The first shot, that was the first one. But I don't know what she did for the other ones. She sucks. You suck, man. Alright, so I just loaded up this 380. Try to get a little picture, sight picture for it. See how it goes. First time shooting it, y'all. First time shooting it. See if I can hit that X. Ooh, look at that X, y'all. Hit that X. Oh man. Look at that. Oh man. Let's see if we do that again. Let's see if we do that again. Oh shit. Spin around. Stay there. Alright, let's pull this thing in and see how we did with that 380. Oh my god, I love this gun, y'all. Love this gun. Look at that. If y'all don't have a freaking GLOCK, or if y'all looking at GLOCKs, want a small one, y'all should definitely check out the Gen 4 GLOCK 380. So I got the GLOCK 22 Gen 4 with the string light on it. I'm about to shoot it in slow motion for you and show y'all. So watch that. So I just shot it slow motion, as you can tell. Boom. All red. All red, guys. All red. and I was with that Glock. Now, with the string light on here, it is kind of nose heavy, but I mean, shooting it a lot, you can get a little, you get used to it, so you kind of adjust to it. But without the string light on there, I do have the other Glock here, so it should be a little easier if you just have the Glock, not the string light on there. I think she likes that.
This one is not as hard.
You like that Glock, don't you?
Yeah.
She liked it, y'all.
Not as bad as the
She wants my gun. She wants it.
Yeah, this one is better.
So just got done shooting.
Fine.
It was freezing cold in there. I guess I'll go and pick my buddy up because she don't want to go with me across the bed. So I just dropped my mom off at home. Besides going to one closed place and the other place that did not have a shooting range, but it was pretty successful as far as shooting. I think my mom enjoyed it. I love seeing my mom happy and having fun. I mean, but who wouldn't like see their mom that way? She enjoyed my 380. I can tell you that. I mean, I just got the freaking gun. She shot it way more than me, so that should tell you something about the Glocks. The Ruger, she has a Ruger LCP 380. I didn't really like that gun. If somebody was to tell me to choose between a Ruger and a Glock 380, I'm definitely going with the Glock 380 because it's a lot smoother and it doesn't really have a lot of recoil. I mean, 380s aren't supposed to have a lot of recoil anyways, but that Glock, it was smooth. The Ruger on the other hand, oh my god, it sucked me. It hurt my finger. Like, it hurts your finger when you go to shoot it. So yeah, the Mobile shooting range, shooting center, that was a pretty good place. Like, if you want to check out some weapons, you want to go buy a gun or anything like that. I think they had rifles, shotguns, and they had pistols, of course. Steve's Gun and Pawn, where I always go to shoot. I think they sell, they sell rifles and pistols as well. But I mean, it's a pawn shop, so you'll get, like, you should be able to get some stuff for cheaper at the pawn shops. The place that we went to shoot, I forgot the name of it. Excuse me. I know I just left and all, but I just forgot the name of it. It was something like, it was a weird name. That's why I keep forgetting. It was like something readiness, defensive readiness shooting or something like that. I mean, the place was pretty cool. It was awesome. It was real clean. The owners were really squared away. The female on the register, though, I mean, she was friendly. You know, she was welcoming, but she was like semi-friendly, if that made any sense to you guys. You know, when you go to like a store, the cashier be like, "What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Welcome here. We got a variety of this and this. You know, if you've never been here, do this and that and that." I mean, she wasn't really on that level, y'all. But besides all that, the place was pretty cool. One thing I will tell y'all, like, if y'all was to ever come to Mobile, Alabama, or if you live in Mobile and you want to go to that shooting range you went to, I'm gonna definitely tell you guys the name of it again when I look at the receipt or look at the stuff I got. When you go inside to actually shoot the place where the targets and everything like that is, it's gonna be freezing. Like, it was freezing cold in there. I would advise you guys to bring a jacket because I don't know why they keep it cold in there. I never heard of the shooting range being that freaking cold, indoor shooting range being cold like that. But besides all that, it was good. But I actually just pulled up at my buddy's house. I gotta call him, and we'll go across the bay and probably get a milkshake or something like that. I'll probably swing by one of the beaches in Gulf Shores and show you guys. Just got in the car with my buddy Devon. This dude drives entirely too fast, y'all. I swear he drives fast. Like, dude, you should pay attention to the speed limit in your car. The live. This dude drives fast. He just told me what the name of the place was. The Yard. In Gulf Shores. You ever want to get some ice cream? Is it in Gulf Shores in front too? So Gulf Shores and Fairhope. If y'all want to go to like get some ice cream, they are great. The ice cream is amazing. He's actually about to pull up a picture. Maybe I can green light, dude. Bad driving habits. On his phone, light screen, Lord. He's about to find a picture of some ice cream he got when he went to the yard. How far is it from here? 35 minutes. From Mobile, Alabama, it's about a 35-minute drive. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Oh my God. What kind was this?
The old banana split.
Old banana split. He went to Fairhope, obviously. Yeah, that looks amazing. But yeah, we about to go over here. $14 for that? $14. So, about to go over here to Fairhope or to Gulf Shores. I'll let y'all know when we get here. About to go over here and get some ice cream. Like I said, probably go to a beach or something and show y'all some scenery. So just tune in. What you got to say about the yard?
It's the best place.
Alright, we made it to Fairhope, Alabama. The yard. Best seating arrangements around here. I mean, they got comforter sets outside. Anyways, if y'all in the area, you know, if y'all live in Mobile, Fairhope, somewhere around this area, y'all come check it out. Look at that. Mine's got to be sloppy and all, but I mean, it's whatever. Huh? Your cupcake's falling? Go ahead, man. You good. So the thing about the yard, they're kind of pricey. Look at this. 2 birthday cakes. Yeah. Expensive. But I had to eat these things. I'm gonna tell y'all how it tastes. Slow down, man. Slow down. Jesus. This dude's always on it. Get the whipped cream. Leaving the yard, shakes were magnificent.
Better watch for the camera.
I'm watching for the cars, man. This dude always yelling at me. Acting like my daddy, man. So, about to head back to Mobile. Go back across the bay. Like I said, the milkshakes here were pretty good. Expensive, pricey, but they were pretty good. Like I said, if y'all living in the area of Mobile or across the bay, definitely, Baltimore County, definitely come check it out. It's definitely worth it. I gotta go home, edit all this stuff together, put all the videos and everything together, and put it all in one and upload it. So hopefully it's a great vlog or whatever, and we just go from there. Later. All right, so what's up, y'all? I just got out of the shower, getting ready for work. Just ironed out my work clothes and everything. Got that ready. I gotta get up at 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Oh my God, it's gonna suck. I'm actually using a tripod I just bought off eBay. It's like tripod 3110. I don't know the exact name for it, but if you guys look for some tripods or anything like that, go to eBay, Amazon, check them out. I actually waited like 2 days for this thing to come in. It just came in. I'm pretty excited about it. I know I was supposed to go to one of the beaches today and put some footage up, but it was kind of too late, so my camera was gonna pick up the quality out there because it's too dark. The place I went to for the shooting range, it was called Self-Defense Readiness Training Center. Pretty good place. If y'all are in the area, live out here, or actually coming out here for something, you know, just check it out. It's off of Cody Road. I forgot to actually get the address and everything for it, but I mean, look it up online, like I said. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I got to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I got to edit all the video, put everything together, and it's gonna be a lot of work. So this is actually my first vlog, and I'm pretty excited about that as well. So with it being with my mom, it makes it a plus. I'm my mama's boy, don't tell nobody. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna upload some more videos. Let's go from here.